Good evening, folks. We're live at 10:44, and we are running a big mini here for Sven's Mega Jawa battle. 70 spots here in the mini. Top 8 win spots in the main. I'm going to copy these here and take them over here to random to find our winners. There they are, 1 through 70. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 3, so I'm rolling again. We got a 6. So we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Marking the top spot for our first round. Eric, round 2. David, round 3. Eric again on top in round 4. Kenneth in the top spot for our next to last round. Round 5, which means we have reached the final round. The one that matters. Here we go, and our winners are Sean in first, Jason second, Eric, Sean again in fourth place, Hans, Eric, Kenneth, and Jason Bozeman round out the top 8. Congrats, fellas. Here's our official results. FTUE, MH, Sean, Jason, Eric, Sean, Hans, Eric, Kenneth, and Jason are our top 8. Congrats, fellas. I'm done at 10:45. There it is. Again, here's our official results and our winners. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks.